How's it going, everybody? My name is Valentino, and we go to the stores, and there's a crisis, you guys know, is the coronavirus or COVID-19. There's a shortage in masks, and you use a mask to cover your cough, so you don't have to keep using your elbow and like wipe it. So I'm gonna use a rag that you can get at Home Depot, a couple of staples, a couple rubber bands, and it should turn into this right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your rag, your paper towel, you're gonna fold it about 1 inch forward, flip it over, and flip it back until you reach the end of the paper towel, just like that, just about 1 inch. And do it, you should be going back and forth about, say, 8 to 10 times. Finish that close, almost done. Boom, and boom. All right, so now you wanna get your rubber band, and you wanna get the paper towel, the rag, and you wanna open your rubber band, put it in like this, right here, just like that, and fold the rag, paper towel, over the rubber band. You wanna get your stapler, and you wanna make sure you get the staple right on all of paper towel fold. Staple that. It should look like that. Rubber band, paper towel, and you want to do the same thing to the other side. Get your rubber band, the paper towel through the rubber band. Fold it over, just like that. Put it in the stapler. Boom, like that, and boom. There you have it. Open it up. Got yourself a mask, so you don't have to go to the stores and buy some. You got some with paper towel.